It's just around this corner.
Alright guys, listen up. We stick to my plan and we won't fail. Fan out in 3, 2, 1.
I will be showing you the 5 cool Facebook tricks, or let us say ninja moves.
Ninja, go!
These are Facebook features. Some are basic and some are new, but lesser known to others. After watching this full video, you will be going to use these features right away with your Facebook.
Let's get started.
Sometimes you might just want to hide your online status, active now, on Facebook. Right? You may not want to be seen as online on the chat by your annoying friend, that one office mate in group chat or workplace, and mostly to people you're not much comfortable with. But don't you know that we can easily turn off our active status? Just follow how I do it for you. After you've done that, your friends can't notice if you're online or not. Even your chat is turned off, you can still send a message, reply and comment to anyone as you're online. Have you ever logged into your Facebook account using your friend's phone or office mate's PC at work and forgot to log back out before leaving for the day? And you want to log out to make sure they're not on your account? Luckily, there's an easy way to log out of your Facebook account from any different device than you logged in the first place. I will show you how you can do it. Are you experiencing a low signal in your area or a logging phone? Don't you know that you can decide whether to see photos in lower quality? Selecting low quality uses less data and helps Facebook loads faster. It's nice to get a new messenger notification here and there. But sometimes there's that one conversation that has your phone buzzing constantly, especially when you're in a group chat. If you're feeling stressed by the number of messenger notifications alerting you about every new message you receive, you'll be happy to learn that you can mute conversations on mobile. If it is muted, you will still receive messages from that conversation. But relieve, it will not pop up in your screen and keep buzzing as you wanted. Facebook will let you know or will send you an alert whenever someone tries logging in with your account from a device that Facebook don't recognize. These alerts will tell you which device the person tried logging in from and where it's located.